Yung pong pag-o-offer nyo po ng incense araw-araw. Alam nyo po ba, yan ang isa sa una kong natutunan ng pag-iinsenso po. I was told by one High Lama that when I was really po, ito problematic, hindi ko alam kung paano ako magsisimula. Parang nahihirapan na ako, dami ko ng ups and downs. Medyo nag-worry ka na after so many failures. It was one Lama who taught me the power of incense. So sinabi niya, mag-offer ka ng incense every day. Tinuruan niya ako ng right way of doing the incense. And true to that po, mula po na nag-incense ako, to this day po, wala pong fail yan. Every day I offer incense. Nung nalaman ko yon, I sponsored incense everywhere. Kasi minsan, busy ka, hindi mo alam. So, nung pumesenter na ako, wala na akong problema kasi sila ginagawa nila yan everyday. So, yung mga ganyang bagay po, marami yan we can do so many purifications. That's why we have our center.